Welcome back everyone, thanks for checking out another video. I have this super nice turbo RSX Type S in the shop for tune today, and I thought I'd make a video for you guys because put down some great numbers and it is a really nice looking car. This RSX Type S is in fantastic condition. It looks like kind of a replica JDM Type R. It's got an authentic JDM Type R front bumper with lip, headlights. Interior wise, it has JDM black Recaros, JDM door cards. Other than that, the car's just in great shape. Especially for Canada, most of these cars are rusted out by now. Type R wing. I'm not sure if these are real JDM taillights, but the all red taillights. Just a really nice, clean example of an RSX Type S. And to make it even better, it is turbocharged. So why don't I pop the hood and show you what's under there. All right guys, so this RSX has a swap and a turbo kit. It has the swap everyone wants. It is a K24, K20 Frankenstein build. It is all stock internals, except for a couple little upgrades. I'm gonna get into the details of the build, but it is a custom turbo kit consisting of a Treblic tuned Sidewinder turbo manifold, custom 3-inch downpipe into a K-tuned exhaust system. It has the infamous Boosted Boys replica GTX 3582 ball bearing turbo. I've used this one on my RSX and my 8th gen. It's a great turbo. It's a reasonable price and it performs really well. The rest of the kit is all custom, 2.5-inch charge piping, vertical flow intercooler, 1000cc injectors. It has a return fuel system. It has the D-Schwerks or DW drop-in fuel module with a 400 liter per hour pump, I believe. We tuned it on pump gas today, so our 94 octane pump gas. It's tuned on Hondata Kpro. The engine, like I said, is internally stock. It is a JDM K24A bottom end. It does have the upgraded RSX oil pump. It does have a K20A2 cylinder head, and it does have drag Cartel drop-in cams, but all the valve train is all stock valves, stock springs, stock retainers. We tuned it on 12 pounds of boost today and put down some great numbers. So why don't I cut to the shots of the dyno pulls, and then I will share the final results. All right guys, hopefully you enjoyed those dyno pulls, but I'm sure you want to know what this thing made today. Like I think I said, we ran 12 pounds of boost on pump gas today. And up on the screen, I have the final results. This setup put down 467, 468 horsepower, 356, 354 foot-pounds of torque. These are the last two pulls, back-to-back pulls, just to verify consistency with the tune. Fantastic results for this basically stock rod, stock pistons. It does have the good upgrades like the oil pump and the VTC cam gears, and a set of drag Cartel dropping cams, which helped it make a bit more power at only 12 pounds of boost. This turbo works really well. It's such a good deal. It spools up very quickly on this setup, full boost at like 4,000 RPM, maintains boost all the way to redline, no problem. But that's probably about it. Hopefully I think the owner might be interested in doing some ethanol tuning at some point, and we'll turn it up even more in a safe manner with a bit of ethanol tuning, see if we can get a bunch more power out of this, maybe shoot for like 550 or something like that. But that's probably about it for this video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. Like always, if you liked the video, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, and I will continue to keep making these videos for you guys. So thanks again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.